Cup, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, we will be doing a makeup tutorial pero hindi tayo mag-iisa to do this video. So meron tayong mga kasama to do this video and let's welcome her to see kung sino siya. So come here. Hi! So, siya po yung makakasama natin to do this video. But before that, kung bago ka lang sa channel ko, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell button para ma-notify ka whenever I upload a new video. So guys, let's dig into the video. Hi guys! Welcome back. So, let's start. So, first na ilalagay natin is a primer. And for her primer, I will be using this NYX primer. So, right after natin maglagay ng primer, so next na ilalagay natin is a foundation. And for her foundation, I will be using this Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in a shade 220. Right after natin iset yung foundation na ginamit niya, so next natin is magko-concealer na tayo. And for her concealer, I will be using this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in a shade number 15. After natin maglagay ng concealer, so next na ilalagay natin is magkukontour na tayo. And for her contour, I will be using this Morphe palette. At ang shade na gagamitin ko is itong dalawa na. Next na gagawin natin is maglalagay na tayo ng kilay, and for her kilay, I will be using this Anastasia Beverly Hills in a shade deep brown. So, babalikan lang natin yung concealer na ginamit natin kanina para i-clean up yung edges ng kilay niya. And for her loose powder, I will be using this Benai Luxury Powder. So let's move on to her eyeshadow, and for her eyeshadow, I will be using this Beauty Glaze Color Fusion palette. For the first layer, I will be using this shade here. For the next layer, I will be using this shade here. Time to cut the crease. So, babalikan lang natin yung concealer na ginamit na para magkameron siya ng cut crease. So, we're almost done sa kanyang eye makeup. So, dadagdagan lang natin siya ng shimmy liner. For her waterline, I will be using this black shade here. So next natin is kung ano yung nilagay na shade na eyeshadow natin sa kanyang lids, yun din yung ilalagay natin malapit sa waterline. So, tapos na tayo maglagay ng kanyang eyeshadow. So, next natin is tatanggalin lang natin or i-dust off natin yung nilagay na loose powder. For her eyeliner, I will be using this Aslay Shine Longwell Gel Liner in shade black. after natin maglagay ng eyeliner, so next natin is maglalagay na tayo ng falsies. So, magna-nose line na tayo. So, for her nose line, I will be using this Morphe palette. At ang shade na gagamitin ko is ito. And for her blush on, I will be using this Eyeshadow in a shade Tomato. For her highlighter, I will be using this Aslay Shine highlighter. And for her lipstick, I will be using a red lip tint. Time to put on her lip shiner para magbigay ng pop sa kanyang lipstick. So ayan, we're almost done. So magpapalit na lang siya ng damit at aayusin namin yung buhok niya para sa kanyang final look. So just keep on watching.
Ripping out the pages to this storybook. I won't let it define me if you take a look. Let me go, I don't want to love you anymore. Let me go, just let me go. I don't want to love you anymore.
And that's all for today, guys. So sana kung nag-enjoy kayo watching this video, please leave a like. And you may also share with your friends para mapanood din nila tong video na to. And you may also consider to subscribe my YouTube channel para ma-notify ka whenever I upload a new video. So again, thank you guys for watching and I hope to see you on my next one. Bye-bye!